Good morning. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for joining us in our presentation this morning. We're going to be looking at a topic that is really growing in today's society, especially with the different changes in education, and that is homeschool and homeschool curriculums. We will be discussing some of the main types of curriculum that are available to you, and we'll start with the different types, which are the pre-planned lessons, the pre-packaged lesson, the self-developed lesson, and also the correspondence school. Now with your self-developed lesson, this one gives you a lot of flexibility because it really allows you to pull from different resources and actually develop a lesson plan that will address the different needs of your student, as well as provide you with different choices of workbooks or textbooks that are adjusted to each student's level. With this one, you can pull from slow to high end depending on the child's ability, and it really allows you to be in total control of how the lesson is presented and how the child would develop as you go through each one of the lessons. One of your top producers of these lessons is the Alpha Omega Publications. Now that is available through the website alphaomega.com or OAP.com, which allows you to just look at the different curriculums. You can order them in packages or in individual booklets. Our next curriculum is called the pre-planned lesson. Now in this lesson, it provides you with a day-to-day schedule that the student can complete. It allows you to go in and possibly log into a lesson with a login or a password, which lets you just have individual access to that. And then it also allows you use of textbooks, workbooks, and then also online grading assessments to complete the course. And one of the leading industry developers in that would be the K-12 curriculum, which is also available through the K-12 website. It gives a complete curriculum for grades kindergarten through 12th grade and allows you to either use them as the base for the curriculum or to deliver it at your own pace and at your own speed. The third curriculum would be the correspondence school. With this school, you have individual workbooks which you can complete, and once these are completed, you can either enter your information online or you can send it in to be graded by mail, and then there's interaction either via email or letters to let you know what the results of those exams are. It also allows you to incorporate some of the others into the plan. And I did just want to go back to one other thing about this particular one. The workbooks are grade level, where you can actually administer a diagnostics test to allow you to see where each child is. So the child might be at one level in one book, but in a completely different level in a different type of book. And then our final lesson today will be the pre-packaged. Now this lesson actually comes with everything that you need to present the lesson plan. It has the individual books, textbooks. Also it includes the different workbooks, along with a teaching chart that allows you to set up your teaching information like as a bulletin board presentation. So this is very helpful with your beginning schools and your lower grades, and it also allows you a chance to just kind of individualize your work as you go through it. So as we look at each one of these, as you can tell, there are several different options available. I would just like to say this, as far as the different companies, I would just like to give you some information that you can take with you, and that would be the K-12 curriculum, which is available at www.k12. Then also there is the Alpha Omega curriculum, which is a very well-known curriculum. So in capping this up, we've looked at the different lessons, which is self-developed. We looked at the pre-planned lessons. We looked at the pre-packaged lessons, and also at the different correspondence. Are there any questions at this time?
What is the price range from low to high for purchasing these different types of curriculum?
The low end would be the individual books, which range from about $5 to a high end of $50 or more, depending on what type of resources you require for each one of the grade levels.
Is there a yearly enrollment fee for cyber or virtual homeschool programs?
Some of these programs do require a enrollment fee, but they provide most of your curriculum freely. There are others where it's free to you and everything comes free. It just depends on what you're looking for. You will need to do a little bit of research to see, because there are new ones coming out every day.
How much parental involvement is needed for virtual or cyber school programs?
If your child is a well-focused and an independent learner, it doesn't take very much involvement, just guidance mostly. But if it's a child that has problems focusing, then of course you would need to put more time in with that student to make sure that they're focused on what they need to be focused on and that they can complete the task with minimum distractions. Okay, if there are no more questions, we would just like to say thank you for being here. Just remember, homeschooling has grown, and along with that growth, the number of curriculum options has also grown. We can also use the word exploded. You just need to do your homework, ask questions, seek advice, and that will allow you to make the best choice for you and for your family. Thank you.